Kabalo naman niya si Inday. Sige na Inday, na hi.
Hi.
Oh, mga bata ka sa Camiguin. So, what happened today was I didn't really know how to ride an automatic. This was the first because the manual was the one that I was used to. Sige day, ina hello. And agoy, naulaw ka mong tanan. And these kids are just trying to help me out with trying to get it started. So we got the motor to finally start. And now they're all curious. They're looking at the other side of the GoPro with the camera, right? Yeah. Asa ka mo gikan?
Masko.
Masko, di indapit ang Masko. Layo pa din ni?
Dili, masko may diri sa balay.
Ah.
Balay. Masko mini mo de.
Dayon, asa ka mong mga to? Asa ka mong mga to?
Ito. Sa upwe.
Oh, sige, sige. Salamat mga bata. Oh, tanawan niyo. Ay, kadali lang na ay ko mga tuan. Panghatag para kanamo. I'm actually gonna give them candy that I don't need, and it came from the US. So maybe they might like it. Who knows?
Thank you.
Paambit sa tanan ha, para sa tanan.
Oh.
Paambit, gikan ka na sa Amerika.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Patilaw, tilawi usa.
Don't know.
Yeah. So I gave them the sour candy. Imong nawongdong. Dai, tilawi usat dai. Yung tilawi. Sige na dai. Unsa naman ganahan mo? Sige, malipayong Pasko na lang ha. Malipayong Pasko. Sige. Bye. 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 Little kids are so cute. They're so cute. I have to get going to Sagay.